India has taken a major leap in defense technology with the successful flight test of the fourth-generation Very Short-Range Air Defense System, or VSHORADS missile. Developed by DRDO, this cutting-edge missile system is designed to protect India from the growing threat of aerial attacks. But what makes this missile so special? Stay tuned as we break it down for you. So, what exactly is VSHORADS? It stands for Very Short Range Air Defense System. Think of it as the ultimate bodyguard for our skies. Whether it's enemy drones, helicopters, or fighter jets, VSHORADS can detect, track, and destroy these threats within seconds. This fourth-generation missile is highly portable and can be deployed quickly in any terrain. What makes this system truly remarkable is its speed and accuracy. Designed with modern warfare in mind, the VSHORADS missile uses advanced infrared seekers to lock on to the heat signatures of incoming threats. Developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, this missile is the result of years of research and collaboration with Indian industries. It's part of India's larger goal to reduce dependency on foreign defense technologies, aiming for self-reliance under the Make in India initiative. In fact, the VSHORADS missile is set to replace the aging Russian Igla systems currently in use. This upgrade will provide a significant boost to India's air defense capabilities. The successful flight test was conducted at the Pokhran range in Rajasthan, a region that has witnessed many of India's defense breakthroughs. The test confirmed the missile's ability to hit its targets with pinpoint accuracy. DRDO officials stated that all mission objectives were met, ensuring that the missile is ready for induction into the Indian Armed Forces. Let's dive into the technology behind VSHORADS. One of its standout features is the use of a dual-thrust propulsion system. This ensures the missile can reach supersonic speeds, making it extremely difficult for enemy aircraft to evade. The missile is also equipped with advanced infrared homing technology, which allows it to lock onto targets even in challenging weather conditions. Compared to older systems, VSHORADS is lighter, faster, and more accurate. It's highly mobile, making it ideal for both ground and vehicle-mounted deployments. This successful test is part of a larger strategy to modernize India's air defense. As aerial threats evolve, India needs systems that can respond rapidly and effectively, especially in border regions like Ladakh and the Northeast, where quick deployment can make all the difference. VSHORADS plays a crucial role in ensuring that India can defend its borders and key installations from aerial attacks, adding another layer to the country's multi-tiered defense network. The introduction of the VSHORADS missile is a game-changer. It not only strengthens India's defense capabilities but also signals a shift towards indigenously developed, cutting-edge military technology. With the success of this test, India is one step closer to becoming self-reliant in critical defense technologies. This is just the beginning for VSHORADS, and with more developments on the horizon, India's air defense is set to reach new heights. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates on military tech, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Please donate at least ₹1 to support our work by scanning the QR code. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.